I'm meteorologist Chris Holcomb from the 11 Alive Storm Trackers. It is not a tropical depression or a tropical storm yet, but the National Hurricane Center has started to initiate advisories on this next potential tropical system that is in the Gulf of Mexico. And here's the latest advisory that we have in based on the 5 p.m. reading coming in from the National Hurricane Center. And you can see the storm is a wind 30 miles an hour, gust of 40, moving north at 9. We expect this to become Tropical Storm Claudette during the day on Friday with a potential landfall overnight Friday into early on Saturday there along the Louisiana coastline. You can see how they have initiated some advisories here along the Louisiana, Mississippi, and the Alabama coastline with the system that's going to be moving through. Then, as it moves inland, we're going to have to watch the remnants moving through Mississippi Saturday afternoon, overnight Sunday to North Alabama, and then through Sunday here in the northern parts of Georgia, with those remnants bringing us the potential for rain, the potential for some storms around, and maybe even some wind in some spots too. So here's a look at the spaghetti models, and that track from the Hurricane Center pretty much follows the consensus of these models, taking it into Louisiana and then the remnants moving into North Georgia. So based on the models that we're seeing right now in this track that we have from the Hurricane Center, we're going to be refining the potential impacts for us, and just know that these may change, but based on what we're seeing right now, this is what I want you to be prepared for. Rain between Saturday and the beginning of next week. We could see many areas picking up 4 inches or more of rain. The wind on Sunday, we think it'll stay below tropical storm force. We're not expecting tropical storm force winds here, but we could see some breezes on Sunday, maybe 20 miles an hour with some higher gusts at times. We also have to watch that storm risk whenever you have a landfalling tropical system and those remnants coming so close to us. Right now, the tornado risk is on the low end, but it's not zero. So something that we're going to be watching again as this storm develops. Here's a look at the European model showing that moisture in the Gulf. On Friday, that starts moving into the Gulf Coast region here from Louisiana, also Mississippi, Alabama, the Florida Panhandle if you have plans there. And then that rain moves into our area later on Saturday with a bulk of the moisture still to the west of us. It's on Sunday when we see the better coverage of rain around and that potential for storms, and then a lower rain chance Monday, and then a front comes in Tuesday, giving us additional rain chances. So a lot to watch with this system. We'll continue to have updates for you from the 11 Alive Storm Trackers.